Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and accounts, connect and pair both controllers, then sign in a second profile or add a guest. Once done, make sure Forza Horizon 5 is fully updated. Patches often change split-screen behavior. Launch the game and choose Campaign or Free Roam. Those modes allow local split-screen entry. Proceed immediately to the social menu so you don't navigate extra screens. This gets both players ready to join the session without delays and prevents accidental online-only lobbies. Next, invite the second controller into the session. Open Social, pick Add Player, and have the second controller press the Join button. You'll see split screen populate once the second profile confirms. This ties identity, XP, and progress correctly. Make sure both players select vehicles and classes before entering events, because mismatched class rules can block split-screen events. If you need different control layouts, adjust input bindings now. It prevents awkward mid-race reconfiguration and keeps gameplay smooth. To finish, choose an event or launch Free Roam. The game will switch to split-screen automatically when both players are ready. Use HUD options to toggle vertical or horizontal split and adjust camera distances so both views feel comfortable. If the second player fails to join, sign the guest out and back in, reconnect the controller, or restart the game. These fixes resolve most connectivity quirks. If problems persist, check for pending updates or test both controllers in another title to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.